Shari Kazowie from the Wowie Kazowie Art Show, and today I'm going to take some basic modeling clay and some clay tools, and I'm going to show you how to make critters. But I'm going to show you how to use these tools to show detail when you make something. For my next animal, I think we should try to make a dog. And it doesn't have to be a real dog, it could be a make-believe dog. So I took a big piece for the body and a smaller piece for the head, and I'm going to try to connect them by using my ceramic clay tool here so that the head is connected to the body. And then I'm going to take my hand and try to make a neck and flatten the face a little bit so it looks more dog-like. Then I took similar size pieces of clay to make the legs. So we can make a front leg. We'll make them one of those little like wiener dogs. So I have two legs on this side. I'm going to flip them over and put two more legs on the other side. Then I'm going to take my smoothing tool here and I'm going to press along where that leg is so it seals it to the body. Then we'll connect this side. So now our dog is going to need some eyes. So I have two of the same white balls that we're going to put in the eyeballs right there. We're going to take little black ones and put them in the middle. Now we're going to take our wooden tool and poke right in the eye so it sticks. Same with the other side. But now we need ears. So I took a different color and they're about the same size in the shape of ears. You just kind of mold them with your hands. And you can use your tool. Put those ears on. Just kind of press so that it really sticks to the clay. Then he needs a nose and a mouth, so let's give him some nostrils with the pin tool. And then you could take your sharp tool and make a little mouth in there. Let's give him a tail. How's that? So let's give him some paws right now. What you can do is take your pin tool and just start pressing in the paws to make toes. Now, he might need a little bit of fur. So that's where you can take this tool and start going in the same direction the way that the fur grows. Although I think he needs a few spots on him, so let's give him a few spots. Because you know how dogs aren't all one color sometimes. Give him a little spot right there. I'm just kind of rubbing those spots down on his body so it'll stick. Okay, now we can go back in and keep giving him fur. And I just go in the direction that the fur would grow, like down the paw. Okay, so now the dog looks like it has fur, but I still think it needs a little piece of, oh, maybe a little piece of black on the very end of his nose, because he might be one of those dogs that likes to sniff. He's rolling over. He's saying, rub my tummy. Very cute. Very cute dog. Just remember, have fun creating, and I hope I inspired you to experiment with making little critters out of clay. Have fun. Bye, everybody.